Lagi mo bang naririnig ang word na digital products sa FYP mo pero hindi mo alam kung paano magsisimula? Gusto mo din bang matuto kung paano kumita passively from selling and creating digital products? We got you and welcome to Course Rebuild Academy or CRA version 2.0. So this is an online course that teaches you how to earn passively from digital products. And guys, this is a pre-recorded training or self-paced learning that is different from one-on-one training na may live webinar kayo na nakakausap nyo kami one-on-one, hindi po ganon. This is a pre-recorded, so everything that you need, every instructions ay nasa website and nasa course na po siya mismo, susundan nyo na lang. And what's the good thing here is that you can watch it, you can learn it anytime and every time that you want. So kung busy ka ngayon, kung wala kang time ngayon, pwede mong panoorin mamaya, sa isang bukas, sa susunod na linggo, kasi it is pre-recorded and hawak mo ang oras mo. Alam ko, natanong mo na din to sa sarili mo, pwede po ba kahit cellphone lang? And our answer is, pwede kahit cellphone lang. Kung yung older version ng course namin is we really insist na computer or laptop gamitin nyo. This time, yes po, pwedeng cellphone lang kasi later on, built-in na ang lahat. But of course, we recommend pa rin kung PC or laptop kasi mas magiging convenient sa inyo. Kung wala kang experience, walang problema kasi it is good for beginners but not for complainers. So kung tatamad-tamad ka, kung reklamador ka, ngayon pa lang sinasabi ko na sa'yo, huwag ka nang mag-enroll. Kung ikaw yung tipo ng taong kapag nahihirapan agad, kapag hindi na agad maintindihan isang bagay, sumusuko na, huwag ka nang mag-enroll because this is not for you. This is for those people who really want to earn passively and yung may dedication talaga. If you're gonna ask us for testimonies, you can scroll down below this website and marami po kaming testimonials dyan from our students. Meron din kaming Facebook page at dun sa Facebook page na yun, halos dun namin ina-upload lahat ng testimonials ng students namin. And the good thing here sa digital products is you can sell it as much as you want and you can make one as much as you can. So hindi siya katulad ng mga physical product na kailangan mo pa ng employee, ng bodega, ng inventory, na paano siya i-deliver, paano siya gagawin, kailangan mo na maraming stocks, wala nang ganun. Kasi sa digital product, you can sell it as much as you want kasi nga digital lang and accessible siya online. Another thing is, pwede kang gumawa ng different digital products and different digital products equals to different source of income. Pwede mo siya ibenta unlimited, so ang source of income mo din ay unlimited. But disclaimer guys, we want to clarify things. Availing this course doesn't mean 100% guaranteed kami nakikita kayo dahil walang ganung business. Kaya nga siya tinawag na business cause it depends on you, depends on the way you market, depends on your target audience, depends on the people you avail, and depends on your product. The essence of this course is to teach you the process on how to do that. Kumbaga, you enroll to learn. And from that learning, from that knowledge, you gain skills, and from that skills, you earn passively. Wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa, ano nga bang makukuha nyo once you avail this course? With only 1,799 pesos, you'll be able to learn how to create your very own digital products. It means guys, from scratch, okay? This includes online courses, templates, trackers, planners, preset, and other digital products as well. Now, once you have your own digital products now, we will teach you how to market this effectively para maraming bumili sa'yo. We believe na madaling magkaroon ng product, ang mahirap is magkaroon ng benta. So, we will teach you our very secret kung paano ba kami nagkakaroon ng substantial amount of sales every day consistently. Once you market it, we will also teach you how to automate those products para kahit natutulog ka, kumakain ka, nasa galaan ka, o kahit ano pa man man yung ginagawa mo, kumikita ka at umiikot ng umiikot yung pera mo. We will also teach you how to get a lot of sales by utilizing your social media accounts. Ano bang dapat i-post? Ano bang dapat na meron sa account mo para yung mga inquiries mo ay ma-turn into buyers? We will also teach you how to price your own product. Ano bang standards? Paano ba dapat? Aside from that, we are friends with AI. We believe na hindi masamang gamitang AI as long as you control it, as long as you are the source of it. Kasi in creating your very own product, super helpful talaga ng AI kasi it fastens your result and mas mapapadali yung paggawa mo nito. Kaya ituturo namin kung ano ba yung mga AI na ginagamit namin and paano siya i-implement. Also, you'll be able to resell our 1 million digital products. Nandun na yung courses, templates, trackers, planners, and lahat yun pwede nyo siyang ibenta unlimited. Kayong bahala dun, guys. Imagine dun pa lang sa 1 million digital products, source of passive income nyo na agad yun. You'll also be able to resell this very course with 100% commission. Yes, guys, itong course na i-avail nyo, itong 1,799 pesos, pwede nyo rin po ito ibenta sa iba with 100% commission. This isn't networking or kung ano pa mang scheme kasi wala kaming commission sa inyo, walang upline dito, walang downline dito. Lahat ng benta mo, sa'yo yan lahat. So kung makabenta ka ng 10 sa isang araw, sa'yo yan lahat. Walang downline dito, walang upline. Kaya you earn talaga from your own sales and your own effort. And reselling this course and other digital products na available sa course na to is the second option. We really recommend you to create your own digital products para kahit ano pa mang mangyari, you have invested in yourself. You are the secret, you are the key because you know how to do this. Ang mga freebies namin is we have built-in funnels or website for you. Katulad nitong website kung saan mo to napapanood, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong ganto. Built-in na ito. Sabihin, hindi mo na kailangan gumawa ng sarili mo. Automatic, pag nag-avail ka, meron ka ng sayo. Magkakaroon ka na din ng built-in webinar katulad nitong pinapanood mo para hindi ka na mahirapan mag-video, hindi ka na mahirapan mag-explain sa mga tao, diretso ka na agad sa promotion. Also, makaka-receive ka din ng 300,000 ebooks na pwede mong magamit, na pwede mong basahin anytime about business, about self-improvement, paano makitungo sa ibang tao, and other books na makakatulong sa'yo while you earn. We have limited slots, that's why I advise you to enroll na kasi maaaring ilang araw lang is tumaas na ulit yung course price namin. So kung gusto mo mag-enroll, just click this button, click here if you want, and madediretso ka na sa payment method namin. Yun lang, thank you so much and we really hope na sana makasama ka na namin sa community soon.